Do you ever wonder what's really going on inside of your gut when food is triggering an autoimmune flare up? It's not just all in your head. There's actual science behind why certain foods set off your immune system and what you can do about it. I'm Jen Franchak. I'm a functional nutritionist, and I help family-focused professional women who've been diagnosed with autoimmune disease to stop the guesswork and really understand the biology behind their symptoms so they can finally calm their flare-ups for good without feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so when we're talking about the real reason why your immune system is reacting to certain foods, we really need to start the conversation with your gut health. Inside of your gut, you have trillions of bacteria that play a huge role in the way that your immune system functions. And when this community of bacteria are balanced, they help us to digest our food, produce important vitamins, and keep inflammation in check. But in most autoimmune conditions, this balance is disrupted, and this is what we call gut dysbiosis. It's when bad bacteria are overgrown and you don't have enough of the good bacteria that your body needs to thrive. And this imbalance damages the gut lining and leads to intestinal permeability, or what you probably know as leaky gut. So you can think of your gut lining as a tightly woven fabric that controls what's absorbed into your bloodstream. And when this fabric develops holes, larger undigested food particles and toxins can then leak through into your bloodstream and really trigger your immune system into overdrive. And this immune overreaction is what fuels the inflammation, and it can worsen your autoimmune symptoms. Research shows us that repairing this gut lining is a crucial step to calming immune dysfunction. So healing your gut isn't just about avoiding certain foods, it's really about restoring balance to your gut microbiome and sealing up those little leaks or holes so that your immune system can calm down. And here's where things get really interesting and a little bit complicated, but just try to stick with me. So your immune system's job is to protect you by recognizing foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. But sometimes certain proteins in foods look really similar to proteins in our own bodies. And this is a phenomenon that is called molecular mimicry. When your immune system attacks these food proteins, it can mistakenly target your body's own tissues that share a similar structure. And this can contribute to ongoing inflammation and tissue damage when you have an autoimmune disease. And this is why some people notice that eating particular foods repeatedly triggers flare-ups, even if those foods are normally considered healthy. But don't worry, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. By removing these food proteins temporarily, you give your immune system space to calm down. And that's why elimination diets, specifically the AIP, are designed to take out common immune triggers that help to reduce this molecular confusion. And if this is making sense, please hit the like button so that I know you're with me. Now, what I do with my clients in order to help them heal their gut and calm their immune system is the AIP or autoimmune protocol diet. And I really like the AIP diet because it has some solid science behind it. Clinical studies show that people with autoimmune diseases who follow the AIP diet can really experience significant symptom relief, reduced inflammation markers, and improved quality of life. And the power of the AIP diet really comes from its structured approach. It has an elimination and a reintroduction phase. During the elimination phase, we focus on removing the most common triggers, which allows the gut and the immune system to calm down. And then during the reintroduction phase, we carefully bring those foods back one at a time to identify your unique food triggers. And honestly, this step-by-step method is so much more effective than just random guessing or trial and error with foods. With this structure, you learn exactly what supports your body and what might still be causing trouble. And this is going to help you to make food choices that actually nourish and heal your body instead of fueling your flare-ups. That's what makes this diet so. I'm stopping the video for just a minute because I'm in the process of editing this video right now. And sometimes my editing software can be a little bit glitchy. And my voice, I noticed, is out of sync with what my face is doing for the rest of this video. I don't know how to fix it. So instead of fixing it, I'm going to add some visuals to the rest of this video that you can focus on instead of seeing my face saying one thing and hearing my voice say something else. Okay, let's get back to the video. It's so effective for autoimmune healing because, again, it allows your body to reduce inflammation and heal the gut while also helping you to create a personalized list of foods that work for you. This leads us to one of the most important points, and this is that healing autoimmune disease is not about quick fixes or guesswork. That's right, no quick fixes. You need a clear, guided, evidence-based plan that really fits your body and your lifestyle. And that's exactly what I offer in my signature Autoimmune Harmony program. In this program, you're going to get a personalized step-by-step plan to calm your inflammation, heal your gut, and really dramatically reduce your flare-ups within 6 months. Part of this program is guiding you through the whole AIP process, and having that guidance and support is really invaluable because I can't tell you how many times I see women who are trying to do the AIP on their own and they get so frustrated because they're not doing it the right way. They think it's a low-carb diet, so they're not eating enough. They might think it's a carnivore diet, so they're not getting enough fiber that their gut microbes need. And it really frustrates me to see this because when the AIP diet is done properly, it is very effective. And actually, many of my clients begin to notice symptom relief within just the first few weeks. In addition to the AIP diet, we also use advanced functional lab testing like the GI map and also other comprehensive labs to uncover what's going on underneath the surface. So instead of guessing, we rely on real data to create a tailored healing plan and rebalancing supplement protocol that evolves with your progress. You're also going to receive printable, done-for-you meal collections, delicious recipes, grocery lists, and these will all be customized to meet your unique needs. And I'm there every step of the way, bringing over 10 years of experience to support you and answer all of your questions. So if you're ready to stop living in fear of the next flare-up and finally take control of your health without feeling overwhelmed, then this program is your next step. You can go ahead and click on the link below in the description box and schedule a free 30-minute autoimmune insight session with me. And during this session, we're going to talk about your struggles, your goals, and whether or not Autoimmune Harmony is right for you. So here's something really important for you to remember as you move forward. Healing is not about perfection, and we talked all about that last week. But I also want you to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution for you. So looking at, generic things online and trying a little bit of this and a little bit of that might give you some initial results, but if it's not tailored to meet your needs, then it's not going to give you the transformation that you want. It's really about understanding your body's unique story and responding with patience and kindness and a smart strategy. Science gives us powerful tools to calm your immune system and rebuild your gut, but those tools only work if you're consistent and compassionate with yourself. Your body is communicating with you every step of the way, so it's really up to you to slow down and listen and take some small, meaningful steps towards balance. And remember, you don't have to do this all alone. When you're living with autoimmunity, it's really easy to feel like your body is working against you. But with the right steps taken in the right order, it's possible to turn things around. Healing doesn't have to be all or nothing, and it doesn't require perfection. It starts with a single step and a little clarity and the belief that your body is capable of healing with the right support. So wherever you are right now, whether you're still figuring things out or you're ready to dive deeper, I just want you to remember that every small change you make is a signal to your body that it's safe to shift out of survival mode and into healing. So keep going, your future self will thank you. And in the next video, we'll bring everything together and I'll show you how to stop spinning your wheels in confusion and finally move forward with a clear plan. If you're ready to make peace with food and have some progress that sticks, I'll see you in the next one.